Hi, first graders. Today we're going to talk about a graph, and some of you got to help me make this graph when we talked on FaceTime. This graph is about vegetables: tomatoes, cucumbers, celery, and green beans. And the question is, I asked if you could choose one of these for dinner tonight, which one would you ask your parents to make for you? Now you can see that 3 kids chose tomatoes, 2 kids chose cucumbers, only 1 person chose celery, and 4 kids chose green beans. Now, if I was going to ask you which vegetable did most of the children choose, which one got the most votes, you would say green beans, because it got 4. That's more than anybody else. Which one got the least number of votes? You would say celery. Celery only got 1 vote. But now I could ask you a harder question. If I asked you how many more votes did tomatoes get than cucumbers, what would you say? Well, you would say tomatoes got 1 more vote than cucumbers, because you see tomatoes has 3 and cucumbers only has 2. And if I asked you how many more votes did cucumbers get than celery, you would say 1, because cucumbers got 2 and celery only got 1. Now, if I asked you how many children voted, you would have to count all the X's, wouldn't you? You would count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 children voted. Now, on your math paper, if you're going to write something you know about a graph, you just write a sentence like, if I was going to write about celery, I would say, celery only got 1 vote. And I'd start with a capital letter and end with a period. Or I could say, green beans got the most votes, period. Or I could say, 3 children chose tomatoes, period. Do you understand how to do that? Good job. Have fun doing graphs today. Bye.